Zhejiang Tongxi Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of plastic products whose predecessor, Taizhou Yonnyo Plastic Company Limited, has a history of 35 years. Tongxi has more than 150 employees, 70% of whom have worked at Tongxi for more than 8 years. More than 30% of employees have university degrees, and there are more than 20 technicians. Tongxi has its own laboratory and product testing system to ensure product quality and quality stability. Tongxi manufactures 3 series of products: big outdoor waste bins, household trash cans, and plastic furniture. The factory covers an area of 65,200 square meters, equipped with 15 sets of mixers, 40 advanced injection machine, automatic material transferring system, and mold processing center. We have passed BSc ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certification. Our main products, 120-liter to 1,100-liter waste bins, also passed EN 840 tests. A completed management system allows us to provide reliable products and services to customers at home and abroad. We sincerely hope to establish a long-term cooperative relationship with you in future. Welcome to visit, and thank you.